welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm going to be getting into a bag review. I'm super excited about this because I don't really have a good basic black bag. So when I saw that Teddy Blake emailed me, shout out to them for collaborating with me on this vlog today, I was so excited. I immediately went scrolling for a black bag that I could wear every day, or like make it like a nighttime evening bag, basically anything to kind of elevate any occasion and make it a staple in my wardrobe going into spring and then leading into summer. I really just want to be that girl. I want to get back into my love for fashion, and this piece, baby, I'm excited for it. So I'll definitely link you guys in the description box below to Teddy Blake so you guys can browse and check out all of their amazing styles. This one is a little bit versatile, which you guys will be able to see with the strap detailing, how I can make this a crossbody but also like a top handle bag. Definitely something I was looking for, something that I could kind of style in different ways. So this bag is the Kim Croc in the 9-inch size. So I will link this bag directly below so you guys can check it out. And I wanted to show you how everything comes packaged. And the bag itself is wrapped in some tissue paper, and then there's also a layer of bubble wrap. It's like the perfect size. Yes, I could already tell this is gonna be the perfect size for me. I love small bags, but I don't want a bag that's too small, that's not practical, where I can't bring all of my essentials, including my camera, around with me. So I think this one's gonna be the perfect go-to. So love the duster. I think this is great. Definitely want to hold on to this whenever you're not using your bag to store it so that it doesn't get ruined or dusty. Bag reveal. Oh my gosh, I had to go for this Croc. I don't have anything like this. I've never had anything like this bag. I also really love the gold hardware. It has some gold pedestals on the bottom so that your bag is never touching a surface. There's also gold hardware on the top handle here, as well as gold hardware on the buckles here in the front. The material is a Croc embossed calf skin, and it is crafted in Italy. I also think this bag comes in 10 colors. So lots of variety to choose from. I kept it really basic because I didn't have a basic black bag. So I felt like this would be the most versatile for me to pair with all of my outfits day to night. And there's also their logo, very minimal here on the center of the bottom, Teddy Blake, in like a gold foiling. And it also says New York. So I really like the overall shape. As you can tell, there is a top handle here. So if you want to make it more dressy for the evenings, you can definitely wear it just like this. That's kind of how I've been seeing bags in this silhouette on Pinterest. Girlies just carrying their mini bags by the top handle. There are these turn locks where you can lock and unlock the bag. Once they're lined up, they kind of just snap open just like this. And boom. I also really like that this has a closure. I'm not a big fan of bags that are just open for things to fall out and also for people to just see everything. So I would say this is a mini bag, not a micro bag. It's still on the more petite side, but you can definitely fit quite a bit in here. And there is one interior side pocket as well, and it is lined. I do like that the lining isn't black, so it's not necessarily a big black pit, if you could see that. And for reference, this is an iPhone 13 like Max. It fits in here perfect without me having to really shove it and twist and turn it. So I think that's important for me to be able to have ease with just throwing and grabbing stuff out of my bag. So I will show you later in the video what fits in here and what I'll be carrying with me this spring in my purse. The pocket is very small. I would say you could probably fit some cards in there if you don't want to use a wallet. I don't think you want to use a big full-size wallet. Definitely a card holder or a card case. But if you don't want to use one of those, having that slot is really useful for smaller items and maybe even some cash as well. So that's all that is for the inside of the bag. And then they also include a strap that is fully detachable, which I love. It makes it more appropriate for daytime wear if you want to be hands-free, run errands, and take this with you on vacation, whatever, while you're exploring. It has a matching Croc detail, which is nice, as well as the gold hardware. And then as far as like how this looks when you are just out, if you want to have it more casually undone like this is what the bag would look like. Very comfortable drop in this top handle. It's perfect enough to put on the wrist. I would say it's a little bit snug in the crook of my arm, but very doable there. Boom. And this bag has a little bit of a sheen to the leather, if you can see. I really like that as well. So if it's not the undone look, show you how to close it. It is a lot to kind of lock if you want to lock and unlock while you're trying to pay for something, but definitely more polished and elegant. Very, very, very versatile. And then as far as the bag on with the strap, this is what it looks like with the strap dangling. And this is the drop where it hits me. So you want to be hands-free. And then if I were to wear it cross-body, it definitely is a more comfortable length, I think, cross-body. Very cute. And you don't have to worry about someone trying to unlock your bag and steal your stuff, because you would know, okay? So I really do like, now that it's on, what the strap looks like with the bag. If you want to just be out, maybe you're doing activities, you need your hands to hold your coffee, or maybe you're doing putt-putt or something, and you don't want to have to worry about setting your bag down. This is definitely very nice. I spoke a little bit too soon. And I like where this falls as far as the drop of the removable strap. And if you want to get into your bag while it's crossbody, boom, you can have access to it. And all of your essentials. Also, with the locks, like these straps here, it makes the compartment more expandable. So it can be more narrow too, but if you want to fit more items, you can kind of just loosen this up and you can squeeze more of your everyday essentials. This definitely will hold, I would say, your essentials plus some additional items. I also think it looks cute when I see it with the top unlocked, like very undone and just relaxed. It's 9 inches in length. It's 6.7 inches in height, so it's not too tall, which I like. And then as far as the width, it is 3 inches here on this side. So it's definitely a nice mini size, and I think big bags are starting to come back in trend. I've been seeing a lot of really beautiful silhouettes over at Teddy Blake, so if this bag isn't your style, definitely go browse all the other categories. Like the big shoulder bags we used to wear back in the day, like giving 2004, like it makes me want to get a big tote style bag like that, or like, I don't even know what to call them, not a messenger bag, but I've been seeing a lot of those silhouettes as well. But like the hobo bags, that's what I'm trying to say, a big shoulder hobo bag. It makes me want to get one for my collection because I've been seeing that style a lot on Pinterest, but I thought I would keep it pretty simple this time around and go for something a little bit more structured. So let's see what fits in this bag, and I'm hoping it's all of my essentials plus my camera, but I'm obviously using my camera. So a phone is definitely a must, so we're gonna need that. I don't know about y'all, I can't leave my house without a fragrance. This bottle isn't that big, it's about a 2-ounce bottle. It's the Fenty Girl Is My Everyday. I will be taking it with me, and as you can tell, it won't take up too much space. Like, I could stand it up in the bag. Can you see that? It's a dark pit in there, and there's still plenty of room for my vlog camera. And tell me why I've been obsessed with this lip butter balm. It's from Summer Fridays, specifically in the birthday cake, and I love this so much. This is my in the house lip balm, but I'm gonna need to get a second one for my in the bag lip balm. There's no tint really to this one, so I find it to be the best to grab and go. I also love and appreciate a good hand cream. I love the shape of this Rare Beauty one, and it doesn't leak or anything in the bag. It's also very petite and not so bulky. So really appreciate the shape of this. For my dry hands, baby, I need a lotion everywhere that I go. A lip combo is definitely a must, something that I tend to have to touch up the most whenever I'm eating or drinking anything out. So I'll definitely toss that in the bag, and there's still plenty of room for probably the most bulky thing, my keys. So definitely want that in there. A card case. Guys, I've had this for over a decade, I feel like. It's a little dusty, dinged up, but baby, it's not broke, so why get another one? So my card holder, it definitely has some weight to the bag, but I kind of like that. I feel like, girl, it just holds its structure even more. I definitely would see myself wearing it casually undone like this. So those are basically all my essentials that I feel like I need outside of my vlog camera, and I could easily put you guys in here right on top for easy access. And I think this size is the perfect size personally. So yeah, you can see the expandable bits. It definitely takes away some of that extra slack on this buckle when you add and fill more items into the purse. And of course it's going to stand up on its own because of the structure and the shape. That's really all I have to say about this Kim 9-inch bag. I really liked all the colors. If I wasn't going for the black, girl, the dark brown, I love anything brown. I don't know. There's also this beautiful like dusty rosy color. Honestly, all the colors are stunning. Gotta collect them all. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little review on this bag and what fits inside. Again, I'll pop a link in the description box below so you guys can check it out and read more about the details and browse everything else over at Teddy Blake. And I will see you girls in my next video very soon. Bye!